Hello everyone, I am going to show you how to create your TACCTEP logo for your signature line if you would like to do that. Um, I have uploaded in the TACCTEP Google Drive our TACCTEP logos. Okay, so you have the logo itself, and this is official that NACTEP created for us. And then you have this horizontal black one like that. And then you have the white, well, actually this logo as well. I actually need to upload another one. Oops, I clicked out of the folder. Okay, so all the logos are in here. What you want to use for your signature for your email is this one right here. What I would do is download it and save it on your hard drive somewhere. Okay, so go ahead and do that now. Okay, now that you have saved it on your hard drive somewhere, we're now going to create it here in your email post. So it's easier to do the created here because I'm going to show you how to snip it, okay, using the snipping tool. So now I am going to go to Insert tab and now insert the logo. So I put it on the desktop. Sorry, I put it somewhere else. Okay, so now I'm going to insert the logo itself only in my email post. And obviously that is too big. So we are going to resize it however size you would like it. And I'm going to wrap it with this wrapping. Okay. And now that I have my cursor next to it, I am going to type the name of our organization. Oops. Texas Association. Okay, and then the acronym after, and then your title. So I'm just going to do secretary. And there it is. Now, if you don't like this font, obviously you can change the font. Arial black might be appropriate. Yeah, that looks nice. Okay, so now if you feel like the picture is not, aligned well, then you can move it and maneuver it and manipulate it. You can make it a little bit bigger, smaller, whatever works with your liking. Okay. Um, right there. So for me, that's acceptable. Now I'm going to snip it using the snipping tool. Okay. Click new and then snip it to the size that you want it and save this somewhere on your hard drive. And I'm going to just save it there, my desktop. Okay, there it is. Now I'm going to click out of that. I'm also going to erase this so I can practice creating it in my signature, one of my signatures under this feature here. So I'm going to create one and call it Bailey 4. Okay. And then I am going to find the picture on my hard drive, on my desktop. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, there it is. Okay. And then there it is. That's it. Now, obviously my name's not on there, and you could add your name on there if you wanted to. I just did not because I wanted to put my name affiliated with my institution. Okay, so you can put your signature here, the rest of your information accordingly, however way you want it, and so on. I'm not going to put everything in there. And then you can also maneuver You can maneuver this picture by just moving the cursor, backspacing. You can't really maneuver it here for some reason. It won't work. Okay, and then click OK. Now I'm going to write my email, dear, whatever it is, and then my signature. There it is, right there. And that's it. If you have any questions, let me know.